Hi everyone, I'm Arwa Zakir from GoFit and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to share with you a full day's diet plan and a workout program that will help you to lose weight fast and in a healthy way. So all the meal plans are very easy to make, very easy to follow, nothing too fancy, everything will be available at your home. So let us start. You have to follow this meal plan diligently and within a month you will see results. You will see results fast and in a healthy way. So let us start. So how you start your day really matters. It builds up the course for the entire day, so you need to start your day right. So as soon as you wake up, within 10 minutes, have 2 glasses of water or have a bottle of water. It really kickstarts your body, it kickstarts your metabolism, it tells your body that it's time to wake up and time to start working. So always start your day with water. You can even add a few drops of lemon in your water too if you like flavored water, but have water immediately on waking up. Now the next thing you want to have before your breakfast is a fresh glass of juice. Now this one has 1 banana, 1 carrot, half apple and a cucumber. You see how fresh this looks? Blend it all up and you have this amazing and healthy juice. Really quick, really easy. So after you've had your water and your juice, the next thing you move on to is breakfast. Breakfast is undoubtedly the most important meal of your day. Always start your day with breakfast. Never skip your breakfast, because if you skip your breakfast, you will be so hungry till lunch that you will definitely overeat at lunch. So never skip your breakfast. Have your breakfast within 30 minutes of waking up. For our breakfast, for the first meal of our day, we will have 1 bowl of oatmeal. For that you will need half cup of milk. You will need 3 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and to top it off, we will have half cup of chopped apples. Mix it all in a bowl and then either cook it on the saucepan for 2 minutes or microwave it for 3 minutes, and there you have it, your hot fresh bowl of oats, and you can top it with apples. Your next meal will be your lunch, so have your lunch by 1 or 2 p.m. and this is what you'll have for lunch. For your lunch you can have 1 bowl of any dal. It can be urad dal, moong dal, any other dal, masoor dal. Have 1 bowl of rice, cooked rice. This is what 1 bowl of cooked rice looks like in a plate. Have a little bit of salad on the side, and you can have even 1 cup of yogurt. This is what my lunch looks like. This is what will help you have a balanced meal and even help you lose weight. So by 5 or 6 p.m. when you're hungry, so don't fall into any unhealthy temptations and grab a piece of fruit. You can either have an apple or you can have an orange. Both of these are very healthy, very nutritious, very filling as well. You can have 2 oranges, 2 apples, or 1 orange, 1 apple, and this will be your snack for 5 or 6 p.m. So your next meal will be your dinner. Have your dinner at least 3 to 4 hours before you hit the bed. For your last meal of the day, which is dinner, you can have 2 chapatis with any sabji. Here I have bhindi or lady fingers. You can have with gobi, you can have with beans, or any sabji with 2 chapatis, but not potatoes. So this is what you need to eat throughout the day to lose weight in a fast and healthy way. So let's move on to the next parameter of weight loss, which is working out. Working out is extremely important. You just cannot skip it. So for the workout program, you have to follow the workout video that we uploaded last week. We'll put the link in our description. It is a 10 minutes long video and it's very easy, very simple. It's a beginner friendly full body fat loss workout. Now if you're a beginner, just do it 3 or 4 times a week. Now if you're an advanced or you feel you can do it more depending on your stamina and your fitness levels, then you can repeat that video 2 or 3 times to make it a 20 or 30 minutes workout. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced, do this workout at least 3 or 4 times a week. Now this was your diet program and workout program to lose weight fast and in a healthy way. But don't just do this for 1 or 2 months. You want to make a lifestyle change. So do this consistently over a long period of time, because if you just do it for a few months, you will lose the weight definitely, but you will gain it back. So what our goal at the end of the day is to make a lifestyle change and not gain that weight that we lost during the beginning of our weight loss journey. So make it a lifestyle change, do it over a long period of time, stay consistent with your workout, stay consistent with your diet plan. So this was it from us for today. Let us know in the comments below what are some of the healthy meals that you have had and you have seen results from. Even let us know in the comments below what you would like to watch on our channel next. We'd love to hear your feedback. Do share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.